your status. What happens? So you go to the police station. The first time you go to the police station, they know you're illegal. They know you shouldn't be in Malta. You don't have the papers to be in Malta.
Yes.
The police, what do they say? They say it's okay. You can stay until we figure this out.
I think they asked us what happened. Then we stayed. And
do they give you like a special permission? Or
yes. They give us. You can go out now. I don't know. Two of them, two inspector, they give us their calling card. If someone from outside, they will what do you call this one? They will ask your ID or something that you can show my calling card that you're in process with the case of human trafficking.
Okay.
And that's the word that I heard.
Right.
Okay, because it's like it's a group, so they call it human trafficking.
Okay. All right. Got it. So the police gave you kind of this help
Yes.
for that time. And then the other part of the story is what happened to your employer. So you filed the report, they arrested him, and then they threw out the case. They dismissed the case.
No, I think they're still looking for a bigger. I think it's a cumulative. I mean, I don't know because Dr. Rara didn't explain all of it to us because That's the thing that she tell us only that you can stay here. You have the permission, then they give us the document like that. About the case, they told me it's like it was been dismissed. That's it.
That's all you know about the case?
Yes.
So the police eventually did not press charges against your employer?
I think there's he pay a bail.
Okay.
Only that one I heard.
Okay, he paid bail when he was arrested the first time,
only.
but he didn't go to court. There's no criminal charges against your employer.
To be honest, he didn't even the previous one because I asked already. He has a previous cases. I asked a few Filipinos as well. He has plenty cases.
Okay.
The same case that we have.
How many cases does this one guy have?